Waterworks by Uyen.
Without water, plants would not be able to grow. Animals would die of thirst, and the human race would become extinct. Only 70% of Earth is covered by water. But most of it, though, is salty, undrinkable seawater. So how does it change into clean, drinkable water? Well, the sun heats up the water and turns it into vapor. We call this change evaporation. The water vapor rises into the atmosphere. It eventually condenses and creates a cloud. The clouds are transported by wind to other places, which have different climates. In time, the cloud becomes heavier and gradually sinks down. This can happen all over the world, even at sea and in deserts. The water can fall as rain, snow, sleet, and hail. This precipitation isn't salty because the salt stays in the ocean. It doesn't evaporate. Most of us can turn a tap on in our houses and water comes out. We do not have to collect our water from the river. The water has been sent to our homes through pipes. When water arrives in our homes, it is used in many different ways for many different reasons. The most vital use of water is for drinking. Our bodies are made of mostly water, and a balance must be maintained. The same is true for animals and plants. Water is also used to keep our bodies, houses, clothes, and dishes clean. This is important because bacteria and germs could grow and make us unwell. The majority of food we eat is made by using water, either in its production or when it's being cooked. When we cook with water, for example, cooking rice and pasta, we use the water not only to make them warm, but also to rehydrate it. Finally, water is used to flush the toilet. It is an effective way of removing human waste whilst reducing the odor. Industry needs and uses a colossal amount of water each day in order to make products for us. Water is consumed in vast amounts when making such common everyday items, such as the production of clothes, paper, paint, pottery, plastic, and glass. However, water can also be used to generate electricity by damming up a water supply and forcing it through a turbine. This is a cheap and less polluting way of making energy. Unfortunately, by trapping the water, some people and many habitats are affected above and below the dam. Every day, an amount of water is polluted. After water goes down the plug, it goes through pipes, and the water in the pipe goes to a river or a lake. Does the water just stay there? Well, not exactly. Some countries have enough money for the water treatment, but poor countries don't. Water can be polluted by anything like chemicals from factories, oils from ships, and manure from animals and human beings. Water can be polluted by much more, but throwing rubbish in it is the main problem. Industry pollutes the water and environment by dropping pesticides, fertilizer, chemicals, oil, and dies. Polluted water can affect fishes and animals in the water, which means they can die. Even though we pollute water, some people are concerned about the amount of water we waste, so they do help to protect water. Polluting water is easy, but protecting water is hard. When you turn on a tap, think about all the people who work hard to protect water, or the people who doesn't have clean water to drink. Just by washing your hands clean but quick, you are helping to preserve water. Farmers even know how to plant trees in a different way to conserve water. Maybe we could try to reduce the amount of water we use or pollute. Water is a limited resource, so if we pollute a lot of it, possibly there will be no more. If you're keen to protect water, then please make a difference. Please help me and the people that want to protect water. Together we can protect and conserve water. If we can pollute water easily, then why can't we try to protect it? In the future, polluted water can be even more than our fresh water if we do not try to preserve it. Stop littering and picking up rubbish is helping not to pollute it, but if we're trying to protect it, use less water or stop building a lot of houses. If we start taking action now, then future generations can also enjoy their life, learn from us, and also save water. Thank you for watching. Please help us protect water. Even in the simplest way, you are still helping. Once again, thank you.